Volkswagen Atlas. It might not be the flashiest option in the midsize SUV segment, but it punches above its weight when it comes to spaciousness, practicality, and value. Let's dive deeper into its key strengths. Step inside the Atlas and you'll be greeted by a cavernous interior that belies its midsize classification. With 33.7 inches of third-row legroom, even adults can sit comfortably back there, making family road trips a breeze. Cargo space is equally impressive, swallowing groceries, luggage, or sports equipment with ease. Think weekend getaways with all the gear you need, comfortably accommodated. The cabin itself is functional and thoughtfully designed, featuring heated/ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a user-friendly infotainment system catering to everyday needs. Compared to some luxury rivals in the segment, the Atlas offers a similar level of space and practicality at a significantly lower price point. Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia reigns supreme in the full-size SUV realm, offering a cavernous interior, legendary reliability, and enough muscle to tackle any adventure. Let's delve into its key strengths. Prepare to be wowed by the Sequoia's vast interior. With 34.4 inches of third-row legroom, even adults can comfortably stretch out back there. Ample cargo space behind the third row and additional underfloor compartments make this SUV a master of swallowing groceries, luggage, camping gear, and even the family dog. Think spacious comfort for road trips, weekend getaways, and outdoor expeditions with all the gear you need. Compared to some luxury rivals, the Sequoia offers a surprisingly attractive price point, starting in the mid-$50,000s. This makes it a compelling choice for families who prioritize functionality and reliability without breaking the bank. You might not get the most cutting-edge tech or flashy materials, but you're getting a lot of space, durability, and the peace of mind that comes with Toyota's renowned reputation. Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is a legend in the full-size SUV world, a behemoth that reigns supreme in terms of space, power, and capability. Let's delve into why this American icon might be the perfect fit for your family's grand adventures. Think vast, think cavernous, think can fit the entire extended family, and their luggage comfortably. The Suburban boasts a staggering 39.7 inches of third-row legroom, meaning even adults can stretch out back there without a care. Cargo space is equally epic, swallowing groceries, camping gear, sports equipment, and maybe even the family dog's kennel with room to spare. Imagine road trips without the constant squabbles over legroom, weekend getaways with all the gear you need, and a sense of boundless space for everyone to relax and enjoy the journey. While spacious and powerful, the Suburban manages to offer a surprisingly competitive price compared to some luxury rivals in the full-size SUV segment. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango carves its own path in the midsize SUV segment, offering muscle car vibes, a spacious interior, and surprising practicality for families who crave a bit of excitement alongside their everyday needs. Let's explore what makes the Durango unique. While not quite as cavernous as some full-size rivals, the Durango still boasts an impressive interior with 33.5 inches of third-row legroom. Families with teenagers or frequent passengers will appreciate the extra breathing room. Cargo space is generous, swallowing groceries, sports equipment, or camping gear with ease. The cabin itself is designed to be functional and comfortable, with features like heated/ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a user-friendly infotainment system catering to everyday needs. But unlike many practical SUVs, the Durango injects a touch of sporty flair with its bold design and performance-oriented options. Ford Expedition Max. The Ford Expedition Max isn't just a large SUV, it's a rolling fortress for families who crave adventures, big and small. Let's delve into its key strengths. Stepping into the Expedition Max is like entering a spacious living room on wheels. With 36.1 inches of third-row legroom, even adults can comfortably stretch out back there, making road trips a luxurious experience for everyone. Cargo space is simply immense, swallowing luggage, camping gear, and even the family dog with effortless ease. Think weekend getaways packed with gear, epic road trips with everyone's essentials, and the flexibility to handle life's spontaneous moments. The interior itself is functional and comfortable, with features like heated/ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a user-friendly infotainment system catering to every family member's needs. GMC Yukon XL. The GMC Yukon XL isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. It's a cavernous palace on wheels, a luxurious leviathan ready to conquer any road and accommodate the whole crew in opulent comfort. Let's delve into its key aspects. The Yukon XL is the king of space. With 39.7 inches of third-row legroom, even adults can sprawl out back there in plush leather seats. Cargo space is equally immense, swallowing luggage, camping gear, and even the family dog's crate with room to spare. This SUV practically begs for road trips and grand adventures, offering a sanctuary for everyone and everything. The interior itself is decked out in premium materials, featuring heated/ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, a 10.2-inch infotainment system, and enough tech to satisfy even the most gadget-loving passengers. Luxury comes at a cost, and the Yukon XL sits at the higher end of the full-size SUV spectrum. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot carves its niche in the midsize SUV segment with a focus on family-friendly practicality, balanced performance, and a reputation for reliability that puts your mind at ease. Let's explore what makes the Pilot a compelling choice for growing families. While not quite as cavernous as full-size rivals, the Pilot offers a well-organized and surprisingly spacious interior. With 30.9 inches of third-row legroom, even teenagers can comfortably sit back there, making road trips a more harmonious experience. Ample cargo space behind the third row accommodates groceries, sports equipment, or luggage with ease. The cabin itself is designed for functionality and comfort, with features like heated/ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a user-friendly infotainment system catering to everyday needs. Think flexible seating configurations, smart storage solutions, and a space that adapts to your family's changing needs. Jeep Wagoneer L. The Wagoneer L's spaciousness and luxurious touches come at a premium. Starting around $73,000, it sits at the higher end of the full-size SUV spectrum. While pricier than some rivals, consider that you're paying for Jeep's heritage, luxurious appointments, and ample space for the whole family, and maybe even the family dog. It's an investment in comfort, capability, and a touch of adventure. Step inside the Wagoneer L and prepare to be impressed. Premium materials like leather and wood abound, creating a refined atmosphere. Heated/ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 10.1-inch infotainment system cater to comfort and convenience. The third row legroom, a staggering 37.6 inches, ensures even adult passengers can sprawl out comfortably. It's like a luxurious living room on wheels, perfect for road trip sing-alongs or enjoying the scenery through the expansive windows. The Wagoneer L packs a punch under the hood. Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada might not be the flashiest option in the full-size SUV arena, but what it lacks in luxury it makes up for in spaciousness, power, and a surprisingly attractive price tag. Let's explore what makes this rugged workhorse a compelling choice for families seeking practicality and adventure. The Armada boasts a cavernous interior with 39.3 inches of third-row legroom, enough for even adults to sit comfortably back there. Cargo space behind the third row is equally impressive, swallowing groceries, luggage, or camping gear with ease. Think epic road trips with everyone on board and all the gear you need for a weekend escape. The cabin itself is functional and comfortable, with features like heated/ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a user-friendly infotainment system catering to everyday needs. Compared to some luxury rivals in the segment, the Armada offers a similar level of space and power at a significantly lower price point. Starting in the mid-$40,000s, it presents a compelling value proposition for families who prioritize practicality without breaking the bank. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a popular choice for a reason. It offers a well-rounded package of spaciousness, reliability, and value, making it a dependable haven for families seeking everyday practicality with a touch of adventure. Let's delve into its key strengths. While not the cavernous giant of the full-size SUV segment, the Highlander boasts a well-utilized interior with 31.1 inches of third-row legroom. Adults can comfortably perch back there for shorter trips, while kids will have ample space to sprawl out on longer journeys. Cargo space is generous, swallowing groceries, sports equipment, or camping gear with ease. Think family vacations, weekend getaways, and everyday errands tackled with ease and comfort. Compared to luxury rivals, the Highlander offers a compelling value proposition. Starting in the mid-$30,000s, it's an accessible option for families who prioritize practicality and reliability without breaking the bank.